Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Peasy English. I'm very happy you're here today. In this English practice podcast, we are going to learn how to speak English every day using a simple kitchen routine. Yes, your kitchen, the place where you cook, the place where you make coffee, the place where you wash dishes. Why the kitchen? Because you go to the kitchen every day. And when something is part of your daily life, it is easy to practice English. Many beginners think, I need a teacher, I need a book, I need perfect grammar. But the truth is simple. You need daily practice. You need simple sentences. You need real situations. And the kitchen gives us all of that. So today, relax. Listen slowly. Repeat out loud. And practice with me. This lesson is perfect for beginners, low intermediate learners, people who understand English but don't speak, busy people who want easy daily practice. Let's start speaking English step by step, sentence by sentence, day by day. Part 1. How to use this lesson. Before we begin, let me show you how to use this lesson correctly. Step 1. Just listen. First, just listen. Don't worry about speaking yet. Let your ears get used to English. Step 2. Repeat slowly. Next, repeat after me. Say the sentences out loud. Speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. Step 3. Shadowing practice. After that, try shadowing. Listen and speak at the same time. Don't stop. Don't think too much. Step 4. Use these sentences in real life. When you cook, when you clean, when you make coffee. This is how English becomes natural. Part 2. Morning kitchen routine. Let's start with the morning kitchen routine. Imagine it is morning. You walk into the kitchen. Simple sentences. I am in the kitchen. It is morning. I feel a little sleepy. I am hungry. I want to make breakfast. Repeat after me. Now let's add actions. Making breakfast. I open the fridge. I look inside the fridge. There is milk. There are eggs. I take the eggs. I close the fridge. Good. Very good. Cooking simple food. I turn on the stove. The stove is hot. I crack an egg. I put the egg in the pan. I cook the egg. The egg smells good. Say it slowly. Feel the rhythm. Drinking in the morning. I pour water into a cup. I make coffee. I add sugar. I stir the coffee. I take a sip. The coffee is hot. Tip. Say these sentences while you do the action. This connects English with your brain and body. Part 3. Think simple, speak simple. Many beginners stop speaking because they think this sentence is too simple. But the truth is simple. You need daily practice. You need simple sentences. You need real situations. And the kitchen gives us all of that. So today, relax. Don't try to sound smart. Try to sound clear. Part 4. Kitchen cleaning routine. Now let's practice cleaning the kitchen. Basic sentences. The kitchen is dirty. I need to clean it. I start cleaning now. Washing dishes. I put the dishes in the sink. I turn on the water. The water is cold. Now it is warm. I add soap. I wash the plate. I wash the spoon. I rinse the dishes. I dry the dishes. Repeat again. Slowly. Example self-talk. Very important. Talk to yourself like this. I am washing the dishes. I don't like washing dishes, but it's okay. I am practicing English now. Yes, talking to yourself is not strange. It is smart. Part 5. Real-life mini conversations. Now let's practice short conversations. Example 1. At home. A. What are you doing? B. I'm cooking in the kitchen. A. What are you cooking? B. I'm making breakfast. Example 2. With a friend. A. Are you busy? B. A little. I'm cleaning the kitchen. A. Oh, okay. Talk later. B. Sure. Practice both sides. Part 6. Daily English Routine Strategy. Here is a simple daily plan. Morning, 5 minutes. Talk about breakfast. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Talk about washing dishes. Evening, 5 minutes. Talk about cleaning the kitchen. Only 15 minutes a day, but every day. This is how fluency grows. Part 8. Long shadowing practice. Now we will do long shadowing practice. Listen and repeat. I am in the kitchen. I open the fridge. I take some food. I cook slowly. I enjoy the smell. I clean the kitchen after cooking. I feel good because I practiced English today. Repeat again and again. Say it with confidence. Before we finish, remember this. You don't need perfect grammar, big vocabulary, confidence first. Confidence comes after practice. Your kitchen is your classroom. Your daily routine is your teacher. Your voice is your power. Speak English every day. Easy peasy. Thank you for learning with Easy Peasy English. See you in the next lesson.